Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers e-filing the Wyoming State Quarterly Returns using a CSV format in AMS Payroll. This process will create a file in AMS Payroll, which the user will be responsible for submitting to Wyoming. To begin, the payer, ABC Payroll, has been created, and the payer's data has been entered and verified. Open the payer in AMS Payroll. Select Forms and then Print State Quarterly Return. You will be able to print a copy for your records of the Wyoming Quarterly information. Select the printer mode and print preview, and click Next. Select the quarter. Enter or edit the general information as needed. Click OK. Enter or edit the signer information and click OK. Enter or edit the information for Wyoming as needed. Check File on Wire. Once the file is created, make a note of the file name and location. It will be needed when the user submits the file to Wyoming. Click OK. The file is ready to upload. It is the user's responsibility to go to Wyoming's website and upload the file. Please review the frequently asked questions on our website, or refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.